welcome back again to our channel. As you can see, I have here a small bandana or a scarf for our pet dogs or cats. The tutorial for this one will be on the description box below or the iCard here on top of our video. So what I'm going to do today is add some ruffles on these edges. So I'm going to use this Bernat Softy Baby in white, and I'm going to use my 3mm crochet hook. So let's get started. So take your yarn and we're going to start from either this end or the other end. Either way. So I'm just going to pull my yarn, insert that stitch, and I'm going to make a simple knot. And what we need to do is make 5 or 6 double crochets in one chain. So our chain 3 will count as 1. It's up to you if you want your ruffles to be more fluffier. Then you can make 6 double crochets. So this is 4 and this is 5. Then just have to find the next chain. You can just eye on it. Two. It's not going to curl yet, so let's just find where the next stitch is, and we're going to make 5 double crochets. So that will be our repeat. So you just have to repeat, you just have to do 5 double crochets in every chain. So you just have to eye this one and then this one and this one until you reach the other end. You can see that we have a little bit of curl. So if you want to be more fluffier your ruffles, then you can make 6 double crochets in one chain. But for me, it's okay for this one. You just have to arrange it. Now we're going to do the other side. So now we are done with our ruffles, and here we are. So this should be going through the neck just have to put your buttons on this side, and this will go in on the neck part of your dog, and this will be on the lower part. So you just have to arrange your ruffles. I said I made 5 double crochet in each chain. You can make 6 or more, or you can make less. It's up to you how you want your ruffles to be more fluffy. So this one looks good. So it's very easy. As I've said, our tutorial for our crochet bandana for our dogs or cats is already on our channel. I will put the link on the description down below, and as well on the iCard here on top. So again, I hope you learned a thing or two. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.